Hello, welcome back to my channel again, IQ07. Okay, in this video, I will provide information for you. Namely, Android Game Maker application for PC user, which is specially for those of you who can speak programming language. For in this video, I will recommend 4 Android Game Maker apps. And before we go to the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get information about the application, okay? So this is the app. GG Maker. This application is very suitable for those of you who have never done coding but want to be proficient in programming language. GG Maker can help you create games ranging from simple platformers to complex 3D RPG. The advantage of this application is feature called graphical assisted scripting. Generally, this feature must be typed in programming language, but for GG Maker you only need a visual implementation in the form of a water diagram. Mastering the logic in graphical assisted scripting will help you understand how coding actually works. Click Team Fusion. Okay, this app similar to GG Maker, where Click Team Fusion also provides a drag and drop editor to create 2D or 3D games. Click Team Fusion features a frame-by-frame event editor similar to creating animation with Adobe Flash. And for this application, it has been widely used to create popular commercial games, for example, Five Nights at Freddy and many more. For the Click Team Fusion application, a free version is available with limited feature, especially for those of you who want to try this application. Tirano Builder. Okay, for those of you who like visual novel games, then there is an application that can make visual novel games for yourself. With this application, you can create visual novel just by drag and drop. After that, you only need to add dialogue text for your storyline. This application does not need to write any code in making a game. This way, you can focus on the storyline that you create in making a virtual novel game. gdevelop. gdevelop is an open source tool that allows you to be creative in making games simpler. What makes gdevelop unique and easy to use is the event feature, which is a special panel to display game logic that you create in real time, without the need to learn a programming language. gdevelop allows you to choose the platform your own games, ranging from HTML5, which can be played in web browser, to iOS and Android. Okay, so that's an application that can help you in making Android game without having to be able to program language. Hopefully it is usable. Maybe that's it for our current video. I'm admin of IQ07. See you in the next video.